Hello and welcome to a quick update on Thirdstone, my third N-gauge model railway. As you can see, we've got a couple of trains running. A couple of Japanese locos. They're my favourite. So the layout consists of two loops of track at the moment, which are independently controlled by these two PWM controllers, and then we've got two spurs, one going off into a goods yard of some description, and we've got the main line going out and returning, which will connect to section 2 once this layout gets put up on the wall. In the background there you can see my half completed 60cm layout challenge from Budget Model Railways. Again, this track is all second-hand Pico, some set track, and most of the long lengths are flexi track. But the big difference with this layout is I am embarking on a journey of adding point motors, which I've never done before. So that should be interesting. So the point motors are the standard Pico, I believe they're SL10 SEEP motors. I've got a series of switches coming from AliExpress to control those, and I've got a CDU which I've yet to build. So it came as a little kit, cheap, $4.99 CDU, which I don't know how many of those I'm going to need. Time will tell. At the moment, this is just an experiment in can I even do this sort of stuff. As you'll see, the point motors are all surface mounted at the moment, or they're placed on the surface of the layout board. When this goes up on the wall, I will try and turn those over and stick them to the underside. It may involve pulling up some of the track. Don't know at this stage, but certainly the motors are probably going to need to have extension rods fitted, because some of them have been trimmed quite short. Again, these are all second hand. At the moment I've got, what is it, nine motors, 7, 8, yeah, something like that, 8 or 9 motors. But we're going to need a lot more for this layout, and you can see the rudimentary controllers, and I've also put in some isolation switching for the goods yard over there. A third controller is actually going in so that I can have 2 trains running, one on each loop, independently controlled, and then I've got access to a bit of shunting space up here. So this isn't a definite article in terms of layout, but it's where I am at the moment. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, go see the other layouts. Really making some progress on Upper Coron. I've just completed Curry motors, so a little bit of scenic work being done there. So thank you very much, and see you next time.